Dear friends, I can tell you about one opportunity to join wonderful Ayurveda Rejuvenation retreat in India. You can fly from Australia and join in our group, or you can fly from another country and enjoy wonderful rejuvenation programs. For example, it can be a special program for you of detox, or if you have another problem with health, doctors will make a special program for you. You will stay in comfortable cottage, 4.5 stars, like a hotel, of course with air conditioning or comfortable. You can choose a room for 2 people, or you can be alone in a room, but it's a little bit more expensive. If you wanna alone, it will be 160 euro per day, everything included, 3 times of food, special food recommended by doctors. You will have consultations with doctors every day. You can join also special yoga or special programs by every day. You can receive wonderful massages, 1.5 hours with 4 hands. Also, you can use gym room, library room for free. You can also join additional excursions. You can also use for free wonderful Ayurveda swimming pool. If you have any questions, please write in comments or contact directly organizer who can explain you more about that tour. If you tell my name, maybe it will be benefits for you. My name is Svetlana Zara. Welcome to India.